What is up, all my investors of the Shaddai? I'm back again with another HINANCE video breaking down the complex financial world that gives me a headache. I'm here to break it down for everyday people like me and you so we get to this money, this cheddar, just a little bit more smoothly. Today, I'm talking about a communications company that may be worth investing in. So pay attention so that you don't miss any good details. Before I get there, I got to show my appreciation to you. Yes, you. Thank you. Mwah. Kiss you on the forehead. Just don't forget to hit the thumbs up on this video. Say what's up in the comment section below. Say what up. Say what up. Shout out to all my people from the investor Discord chat. Shout out to y'all. Shout out to everybody that's been supporting me. Don't forget to support the merch. Link is in the description as well. Very, very big ting. Very big ting. All right. Let's get into it. Verizon Communications. People been wondering. People been trying to figure them out. Should you invest in AT&T? Should you invest in Verizon? I've always had a debate between those two, but I'm going to continue to stick to what I've always stuck with because I've been speaking about Verizon for the past year as well too. I've been in and out on them, currently out, but I'm looking to get back in because they pay some dividends and I need to park some money in the meantime while I'm looking to figure out where this money is going to go, which growth stock is going to receive these benefits from your boy. Okay. But let's give y'all some details about Verizon. Then we'll take a look at the chart a little bit just to get a quick review. So they're currently trading near their 52-week low, which to me, that sounds like opportunity because Verizon's still very active and they have a lot of partnerships still. They're a dividend stock. They pay dividends around like 60 something cents a share per share. Do your due diligence on that if that's something that you're interested in. I'm pretty sure they paid me dividends before I sold sometime this year. I don't know, but I like the dividends. That's a good part. It's a great place for me personally to park money because they're still actively moving forward as a company. But they pay dividends, which is good as well too. They have 63% is held by institution. So there's also room there because there's some companies that are like 70% held by institution, 80% held by institution. So those companies I don't really get too hyped for. These ones that I see are below that 70 range. I still see some room to grow there as far as hedge funds coming in and just boosting this bad boy up. I just wanted to share that Berkshire Hathaway is one of those hedge funds or one of those funds that are big funds that are invested, and they hold about 3 to 3.4% of their portfolio in Verizon. Oof. If I was pocket watching right now, you could probably do the math about how many shares they hold and how much they're receiving in just dividends alone. But I'm not a pocket watcher, so I'm gonna take that energy and figure out how I can get some higher dividend income, right? What makes this a value company is their revenue, their earnings, and their cash flow. Those three things make this a valuable stock to have in your portfolio as a safety net, as a dividend-paying stock, as a long-term hold. Verizon has raised their dividend every year for the last 14 years. No hiccups. That can either be a very amazing thing or a very bad thing. I'm going to take the positive and the optimism from it. I'm going to say it's an amazing thing. I'm going to say maybe they have 6 more years to go. Perfect in my time frame, 5 to 10 years. This might be a good stock to have in your portfolio. Communications, visual, audio, they're doing it all. Let's look at the chart real quick. I've created these random zones here. Some would say Verizon's on a downtrend. Which you could say that definitely. Some like me will argue that this is just kind of what I'm going to say. I'm going to put it as this is kind of double bottoming out before it takes off to a different set of numbers, and I think that it can take off from here. I think that it's getting some resistance once it gets into the bottom zone of these zones that I've created. You're seeing some resistance. It definitely tested that though. So we got to watch it just a little bit, see where it's going to go from here. My prediction is that maybe it retests that low point from this week. that last week and then gets back up. Hopefully, I'm crossing my fingers because I'm actually thinking about getting into this. So I'll be paying attention to this stock this whole week, looking to get in, looking for opportunities. Verizon's a conglomerate. They're a very big company, and they're making moves. As much as maybe that's not in the light, they are making moves. They are part of the 5G infrastructure. They have partnered with Nokia, so they're making the partnerships needed to propel themselves forward. They got their partnerships with the NFL. They got their partnerships with the MLB. I'm sure they got some type of partnership with the NBA, or probably working on it. Very great company here. Very great company. I think it's going to continue to do very well. So if this fits you, do your due diligence, y'all. I'm going to finish this video off by saying that if you're interested in joining the investors group chat on Discord, shoot me a DM above. I will get you all the details needed to join. We're just a group of investors trying to build generational wealth through sharing resources and just having daily financial conversations. If that's something that interests you, shoot me a DM. I'll get you all the details. It's free. It's free. We're not selling you anything. We're just trying to become one and grow together. That's all. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Don't forget to thumbs up on this video. Say what's up in the comments. I'll check y'all out tomorrow.